I'm Lenny from AudioSecure in Pinetown. We got an awesome looking Ford Fiesta ST. This customer was a new customer referred to us by a friend. So he asked us to give him a wow install. He wanted 2 woofers, 2 amplifiers. The install was left unto us. So it was our choice, our colors, LEDs was all left unto us. The designer and fabricator got together. We looked at the exterior and interior and came up with the colors and the layout of the install. In the install, we decided to go with the Rockford Punch P2s for the low ends. We decided to go with punch splits up front, the punch coaxials in the rear for rear full. We went with a prime 4-channel amplifier for the mids and splits. We went with a 500 mono block to run the 2 P2s. We used a 1 farad capacitor to stabilize the power. The punch, it will be matched better with the 2 10s. It'll be louder, the treble will be more. Incorporated the honeycomb grill from the front, making custom grills for the enclosure. My favorite part of the build was incorporating the grill into the install. The client wanted to be blown away when he opened the boot. I want to make a statement with the install. Definitely we achieved what the client wanted. The car is the whole package, it makes a statement. The client has already booked his next car with us. So hot, man.